Hey subscribers, welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today, we're going to fulfill a subscriber's request. It's from Visible89. This brother asked for a Roblox rig tutorial for the new Prisma3d, saying it's really hard to get a rig. Okay bro, if anyone needs any tutorial video, please comment and please subscribe. So let's start the video. First you have to import the Roblox character, then select its hand models and create a group. What to do after grouping is to click on the rigging option and add it the way I add bone add. Then click Next, then click Submit. Just like you added a bone to the right hand, add a bone to the left hand in the same manner. After this, add bones to the body. After adding bones to the body, just like you added bones to the hand, select the object of the leg and group it, then add bones to it. Add a bone to the left leg in the same way as you added a bone to the right leg. After this, select all the objects of the face and group them, then add the bones. After adding bones to all objects of the character, all bones have to be shaped then. Enter text. After configuring, the bone is added to the object, and the bone is added to the object. You can also add bones to your Roblox character. Finally, you need to parent the bone group to the 3D character. That's it guys. This is how you can also add bones to the character. If you want any tutorial video about Prisma3d, then do comment and subscribe. One more thing, if you learn anything from this tutorial video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe for the next video.